Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing very well. So today we will solve some question about lines, rays and angles. And today we will cover page 401 and 402. So if you are ready for the class, please open page 401. And before solving the question, let's make a quick revision about lines, rays and angles. Okay, remember yesterday we learned about point, line segment and ray. So if I want to draw a point, I need to give a name, and while reading this I'm reading like point A, and while write I also write point A. What about line? Check the line. So I said BC line or CB line. I can switch their place, so it will be represented by same line. So there are two endless sides. While drawing this, while writing this actually, so I can write BC or CB, and I need to draw the same shape of line to the top. What about line segment? Line segment represent a part on line, but this time there are two end points, line segment DE or line segment ED. I can switch their place, so it will be DE and ED, and on the top of I need to draw the same shape like line segment. What about ray? Ray has one end point and the other side goes until forever. There is endless side. So while read it, I'll say ray FG, and then I'll draw the same shape to the top. Perfect. Okay, now let's talk about angle. While drawing angle, I need at least two rays, P, Q, R, and while read it is, I can say angle PQR, angle RQP, or angle Q. So Q should be in the middle, okay? And while writing this, Q also should be in the middle. So yesterday we talked about four different angles: right angle, straight angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. So right angle represents a square in the middle here. Straight angle, it's look like a line. Acute angle is the angle less than right angle, and obtuse angle represent the greater angle than right angle. Now let's check the question on your book. Please open page 401. Let's read the first question together. It says draw and label AB in the space at the right. If you check the shape on the top of AB, you can see two end points A and B. If it has two end points, what is called? We said it is the part of line, so it is a line segment. AB is a line segment. While drawing this, I'll draw a line segment. It will be two end points, and one of them will be A and the other one will be B. Good. Let's read question 2. It says draw and label an example of the figure. So X and Y. If you check the shape on the top, you can see a line, right? Because it goes until forever from the both sides. So it represents a line, and as a name what is given? X and Y. So I'll decide two points, and I'll say one of them represent X, the other one is represent Y, and it shows XY line. Obtuse. Remember angle. Obtuse represent the angle greater than a right angle. So obtuse angle K. Obtuse angle represent a greater angle than right angle, and which is given to it as a name? K. Perfect. I need to put K in the middle. Good job. Question 4. It's a right angle CDE. First of all, I need to draw a right angle, and then while giving the names, I know D should be in the middle. D here. Then CDE. If you want, you can do like this. C, and E can be switched, and it can be C, D, E. It doesn't matter, but D always should be in here. Good job. Okay, let's check question 5 and 6. It says use figure M for 5 and 6. Figure M here. It says name a line segment. It's already given here. TU line segment. TU one of the line segment. The other one is U and W. If you want, you can write W and V or V and T. So there are 4 different line segments here. Question 6. It says name a right angle. If you check the shape, you can see there are 2 right angles. One of them is TUW, or if you want, you can write like this, WUT, or if you want, you can just write like this, U, angle U. Or actually this is also right angle, so if you want, you can write U to V or V to U, or just T. Okay, if you want to give a name for right angle, you can write angle TUW. TUW. So it's already given here. U is a right angle. Good job. Okay, let's check question 7. It says draw and label an example of the figure PQ. So if you check the shape on top, you can see P is the end point, Q is the endless point. It goes until forever. So it shows which one, which figure? Perfect. This is a ray. So we can say PQ, ray PQ, right? So acute angle RST. I know acute angle represents an angle less than right angle. So RST, while giving the name, I know the middle one S should be in the middle. And I can put R here and T here, or if you want, you can put R is still like this. What about straight angle WXZ? So straight angle, it looks like a line. I know X in the middle, and then I need to put W and Z. If you want, you can switch the place of W and Z, but you cannot switch the place of X. X always should be in the middle. Okay? Good. So it's a use figure F for question 10 until 15. Name a ray. First of all, let's check figure F. We said BC is a ray because I know B is an endpoint. C goes until forever. So while drawing a ray, I need to draw an endpoint because I know B is the endpoint and C goes until forever. There are more than one ray here, so you can select one of them. If you want, you can write BK or RP, RQ. It depends on you. There are more than one ray here. So question 11, it says name an obtuse angle. So we said angle ABK. So obtuse angle represents an angle which is greater than right angle. So when I check angle ABK, I know this is an obtuse angle because it's greater than right angle. So if you want, you can write JBR, JBC. This is also an obtuse angle, right? Good job. Okay, question 12. Name a line. Remember line. So when you check the top, you will see it. Line goes to forever from the both sides. It's a A and C. AC is a line, or JK, it's a line, or PQ, it's a line. So AC, we said AC, and don't forget to put the shape to the top. Line should goes to forever from the both sides. What about line segment? I know line segment represent a part from the line. So, for example, we said BR, line segment should be limited from the both sides. So, both sides should be end points. BR, right? Or BK. BJ, there are more than one line segments. What about question 14? It's a name a right angle. So, it's already given here, right angle. What I can say, angle PRC is a right angle. So, question 15, name an acute angle. I know acute angle represents an angle which is less than right angle. So I need to check my figure and I need to find an angle which is less than right angle. Which one is? I can say KBR, because KBR less than right angle. So I can give angle KBR as an example of an acute angle. Good job. Okay, right now please open page 402. Turn on the page. It says use the picture of the bridge for 16 and 17. We need to check the picture together. It says classify angle A. Angle A is right here. So I already put a shape here, right angle, right? Good. So angle A represents a right angle. What about which angle appears to be obtuse? So I draw angle C here. Obtuse angle represents an angle which is greater than right angle. So angle C is greater than right angle. It represents obtuse angle. So angle C is an example of obtuse angle. Question 18. It says how many different angles are in figure X? List them. First of all, I need to check figure X and I need to write the angles one by one. Let's start from the left side. I can say angle ABD is an example of angles. So then I need to move. Angle DBE, angle EBF, angle FBC. Okay, right now let's move by skipping one of the rays. Let's say angle ABE. This is another angle, right? Good. Angle DBF, angle EBC. Good job. Right now let's skip two rays. So I can say angle ABF, another angle, or angle DBC. And there is one more angle. This time I'll skip three of the rays and I'll find a straight line here, straight angle, angle ABC. So in total, how many different angles we count? We count 10 different angles. Good. Question 19. It says Vanessa drew the angle at the right and named it angle TRS. Explain why Vanessa's name for the angle is incorrect. Write a correct name for the angle. She drew this angle and she said angle TRS. Remember, if you put R here, R should be in the vertex. R should be in the middle, but S in the middle. So, if S in the vertex, in this situation, I need to name is like RST or angle TSR. So you can give a name like this, angle TSR or angle RST. You can switch the place of R and T, but you cannot switch the place of S. S always should be in the middle because the vertex should be the middle. Okay, so S should be in the middle. Okay, check question 20. It say write the word that describes the part of figure A. It say BG, BG. So there are endless points, two end points, sorry. So BG is a line segment because there are two end points. This is the part of a line. What about CD? CD is a line because it goes until forever from the both sides. There are two endless points. What about right angle? Check it. Angle FBG. FBG. So if you see this square, it represents a right angle. Angle FBG will represent right angle. Good job. What about BE? From B, it will be end point and E. And E will go to the forever. So one point is end point, the other point goes until forever. It represents ray. Ray BE. What about angle AGD? Let's check it. A, G, and D. So I know this angle is less than right angle. If it is less than right angle, it represents acute angle. Good job. So, homework. Your homework will be page 397 and 398. Okay, good job guys. Thank you so much.